Welcome then again to Place BPO Gala Night. So everyone is actually welcome and everyone is ready. So see you and welcome.
A wonderful celebration and a successful Christmas party for tonight. Good luck, everyone.
There's no looking back, there's no turning back. For the first time we come alive. There's no looking back, there's no turning back. Are you where you wanna be? Seeing what you wanna see. Won't you let me take you there? Every second, every minute, every hour, we're gonna watch the world turn around. Feel the moment, feel the people, feel the power. We're gonna watch the world turn around.
To the hardworking men of Place BPO, to our CEO, Sir Harold, to our COO, Sir Kenneth, and to all the managers, team leads, and all the agents, and of course, our admin support, and everyone who makes this place running. Thank you for making it great this year. We faced many challenges, but again, we strive and we will shine as we go along in 2020.